Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to share an extremely powerful strategy with you that you can use in financial markets such as Forex, crypto, or stock market to achieve good profits. Just stay with me until the end of the video. Let's start the video. First of all, you need to choose your symbol. You can choose any symbol you like from the Forex, crypto, and stock markets. I'll choose a symbol. After that, go to the time frame section. Here you need to choose the time frame that suits you. The time frame I choose is 1 minute because I can wait around to make a profit. Next, we need to add 2 free indicators to our chart. To do this, go to the indicator tab and search for twin range filter. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now that this indicator has been added to our chart, we need to go to its settings and make the changes so that we can use it for our strategy. Pay attention not to make mistakes in these changes. After the settings are done, I'll explain how to use this indicator and which parts are important for us. This indicator helps us greatly in identifying the market trend and preventing entering trades in aimless fluctuations. It provides traders with precise entry points, save time, and help us identify market behavior. So, this indicator has 2 very good features. One, help us save time, and the other, help us find precise entry points for trades. However, I must remind you that although the twin range indicator is very good, no indicator is perfect and has its flaws. Therefore, we need to add a second indicator to our chart to reduce our mistakes. Go to the indicator tab and search for market bias. Choose this one among all indicators to add it to your chart. After adding it, we need to go to its settings and make the necessary changes that you see. Now, this indicator is suitable for our strategy. And with a brief explanation, you can see how to use it. We use this indicator as a powerful tool for recognizing trends and identifying strong trends, and based on the signals it provides us, we can enter the trades. When the candles are above this indicator line and the color of the indicator is green, we can enter buy orders and avoid entering sell orders. On the contrary, when the candles are below this line and the indicator line is red, we understand that we should enter sell orders at these points. Now that you have learned everything, I'll teach you how to enter trades. But before that, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can benefit from new videos. Let's start with buy orders. First of all, you need to find a buy signal. Then, to confirm this buy signal, look at the market bias indicator and make sure that at this point, the indicator is green and the price candles are above this line. Once you are sure these 2 conditions are met, you have found the entry point for the trade. To set a stop loss, first find the last swing low and place your stop loss slightly below that level. Now, specify your take profit. For this, consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For sell orders, do the opposite of buy orders. First, look for a sell signal. Then check the bias indicator and make sure it's red at this point while all candles are below this line. Now specify your stop loss and take profit. For a stop loss, find the last swing high and place your stop loss slightly above that level. For take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. As you can see, this strategy is very powerful and provides us with very good and multiple entry points. The only thing we need to do is to increase our own accuracy and follow the rules of money management to achieve very good profits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care until the next video and goodbye!